Embarking on the journey of marriage, couples often envision a union filled with love, understanding, and unwavering support. However, reality often presents challenges that can strain even the strongest bonds. In the midst of disagreements and miscommunication, the essence of friendship and connection can become obscured. Yet nestled within these struggles lies the opportunity for profound growth and transformation. By unraveling the complexities of communication and nurturing a foundation of mutual respect, couples can navigate through turmoil and emerge stronger than ever. Join us as we explore the dynamic interplay between love, communication, and friendship in the context of marriage, unveiling the remarkable stories of couples who have traversed tumultuous waters and emerged as steadfast companions, united in love and friendship. 1. Your spouse is more like your best friend than your lover. Recognizing your spouse as your closest confidant, rather than just a romantic partner, can signal a profound and enduring love between you. Long-term couples who radiate happiness often credit their enduring bond to this very dynamic. They emphasize the importance of nurturing a friendship alongside the romantic aspect of their relationship. Many couples stumble upon the misconception that love must always be fiery and intense, reminiscent of the initial stages of romance. However, this initial spark inevitably transforms into a deeper companionship over time, marking the transition from infatuation to enduring friendship. So if your partner feels more like your best friend, there's no cause for alarm or thoughts of separation. It's a testament to the enduring love you share. While adjustments may be necessary along the journey, committing to nurturing this friendship can lead to a love that transcends the fleeting thrills of infatuation, fostering a romance that is richer and more profound than ever imagined. 2. You're having little to no intimacy. Restoring intimacy within your marriage necessitates a deliberate effort to rekindle the flames of affection and emotional closeness. This process parallels the nurturing of a deep friendship, a cornerstone of a healthy marital bond. Extensive research underscores the profound impact of emotional intimacy on physical fulfillment, particularly for women. Studies conducted at Pennsylvania State University illuminate the intricate relationship between love and intimacy, revealing that emotional connection amplifies the pleasure derived from physical closeness. Moreover, insights gleaned from older women affirm the enduring significance of love in sustaining intimacy throughout the lifespan. Dr. Beth Montemurro, the lead researcher, underscores the indispensable role of love in fostering intimacy within the context of marriage. For couples grappling with relationship challenges, the message is resoundingly clear. Prioritizing the cultivation of emotional connection serves as the linchpin for revitalizing intimacy and reigniting the passion in your marriage. 3. There's no real communication between you because you argue so much. Constant arguing can obstruct genuine communication, frustrating your underlying desire for connection and friendship. However, the intensity of these conflicts stems from a deep-rooted love for each other. By mastering the art of expressing and acknowledging each other's emotional needs, you can diminish these negative patterns in your relationship. The key lies in proactive communication strategies. Start by committing to salvaging your relationship together. It's a collaborative effort akin to a synchronized dance. Transforming your relationship into a hurt-free zone is pivotal in preventing further discord. Toxic communication habits must be unequivocally eradicated within this safe space. Once established, prioritizing generosity and mutual understanding becomes second nature, fostering a positive feedback loop of meeting each other's needs. Charlotte and Finn's journey exemplifies the transformative power of such strategies. Within days of implementing them, their relationship saw remarkable improvement, eventually solidifying into a partnership of enduring friendship. Their story underscores the efficacy of simple yet potent communication techniques in building and sustaining a fulfilling marriage.